welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. We have a Chrysler, and the problem in this car is the door is not opening, or the remote doesn't command when it's very cold. You have to leave it warm up, then it's work. So to solve this problem, we need to generate another remote. Remote must be original. Add it to the car dash, and then you leave the other one home and try use this one. Let me turn this one off. Fabriculous. Okay. 60-50. Do you know that there are 5 keys in the system? This car have 5 keys. Okay. Key learning. Start. Do you wanna? No. Take this one out. I'm gonna put this one, this original OEM. Six, no. Escape. Now I'm gonna go here, turn the key off. The car is started, right? Take it out. Now you have this key here. You're gonna keep this key with you. Tomorrow morning when you come out, you're gonna use this key. If this key start and working good, that means this key have to take a rest a little bit.
Okay.
Either you have to leave it home and you use it whenever as a backup.
Okay.
But you're gonna use this one. And we know if it doesn't work, that means the problem is something else.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like.